Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Hello and welcome to Rahman Digital Production. This is lecture number 16 of Mathematics 4024. In the last lecture, we did 12 questions, and today we are going to start question number 13. Ladies and gentlemen, you will say that why everything is written in advance. I recorded this lecture with great efforts, but the sound was not there. This is the second time the sound was not there. The video is with me and everything is on the whiteboard, so I am not writing it again for you people. Excuse me for this video only, I will only explain it. If somebody needs the step by step without the sound, then the video is with me. So let us start. The first question number 13. A part is saying minus 547 multiplied by this question is given. This is question number 12 actually. But 13 number question is saying that you have to verify the answer by calculators. So they wanted to make you familiarize with the concept of usage of calculator as well. Nothing special is there because first is the minus, so you have to press the minus button. Then second is 5, then you have to press the 5 button. When there is a division symbol, then you have to press this division symbol. And similarly, this is the special symbol, then 7, then the turn of this multiplication, and then you can see bracket, and then 2 8, and then again we are encountering this symbol, so we have to press this special symbol, and then 1 5, then plus, and then 1 whole 2 over 3, and then I am closing this bracket. And to see the answer, press is equal to, and you will see the answer. Do all the other question. Whenever you are encountering the things, you have to press that particular button on the calculator. Turning to question number 14. In question number 14, A part is saying that 0.15 divided by 0.5 should be multiplied with minus 0.16 divided by 12. Ladies and gentlemen, I told you that the denominator should be a whole number without a decimal. So we are shifting this decimal 1 point to the right. As a result, we have to shift this decimal 1 point as well. So this will become 1.5 and this will become 5. Similarly, in this case, there is 0.16 divided by 2. I am shifting this one towards the right. So I am also as a result shifting this towards the right. So it will become 1.6 and this will become 1.2. Don't consider right now this red written things. I will explain that what is the meaning of it. Focus on black writing. So when 1.5 is divided by 5, so 5 zeros are 0 and 1, and then we will bring 5, but before that we have to shift this decimal upward, and then 5 threes are 15. So we will get 0.3 from this particular area. Multiplication is on its place. 1.6 when divided by 12, then it is 0.13. You can see and check this. So this will be 0.13. We have to multiply this 0.13 with 0.3, and 3 threes are 9, 3 ones are 3, 3 zeros are 0, 1 cross, and 0 threes are 0, 0 ones are 0, 0 zeros are 0. When we added 9, 3, 0 and 0, because there are three decimal digits after the decimal in these two, so we have to put after 3 digits the decimal, and that will become 0.039, and that is minus 0.039, which is nearly equal to minus 0.04. Ladies and gentlemen, there is a second method of this which is on the red. So this will become 0.3, and I wrote this 0.3 here, and I not did any movement of the decimal. So if this is moved, this will become 12, and if this is moved, this will become 3. Then 3 ones are 3 and 3 fours are 12. So when we divide this 1.6 by 4, then you will get minus 0.04 is the answer. Now we are turning our focus to part number B, and in part number B 0.027 all divide by 0.03, because we have to move this decimal 2 times to the right, so we have to move this decimal in the numerator also 2 times. So this will become 2.7 and this will become 3. Similarly, we have to move this 2 times, so it will become 18, but we have to move this also 2 times, but there is no other digit, we have to put 0 from ourselves, so it will become 140 divided by 18. When 2.7 is divided by 3, 3 zeros are 0, 2 will come, and 7 is here. So then we have to do 3 nines are 27, and as a result we will get 0.9 from this portion. 140 divided by 18, 18 sevens are 126, and we will get 14 when we subtract from 140 126, and we will put 0 from our own side, so 18 sevens are 126 again, so it means it will be repeated, so we are only writing 7.7 from this portion, minus 7.7, and from this portion we are having 0.9. When we subtract this 7.7 and 0.9, then we actually this is multiplication, not this is plus symbol and there is multiply, so we are multiplying. 9 sevens are 63, 6 will be uh, carried, 9 threes are 63, and this is 69, 1 cross, 0 sevens are 0, 0 sevens are 0. When we add, this will yield 3, this will 9, and this is 6, because after the decimal there are 2 digits, so after 2 digit we have to put this decimal symbol, so it will be minus 6.93, which is nearly equal to 7, and that will be minus 7. Now we are turning our focus to part number C. In part number C, it is saying 0.4 whole square. Remember that this square doesn't belongs to this 0. So this minus will come on its place when we multiply 0.4 with 0.4. So 4 fours are 16, 1 is carried, 4 zeros are, and 1. 1 cross, 0 fours are 0, 0 zeros are 0. When we add this 6, 1 and 0, because after the decimal there are 2 digits, so we have to put 2 digits here, so it will be 0.16 and minus will be on its place. Don't confuse yourself that this 0 will make this minus 1 as a plus 1. No, if it was like this then it's okay, but because it is not in the bracket, only minus 0 point, actually minus 1 and 0.4 is like this, so it belongs only to this, not to this one. So keep this in mind. When we divide this 13 by 8, so 8 ones are 8, 5 will come, and 0 we will put from our own side because we are putting decimal here. So 8 6 are 48. When we divide this 48 from 50, 2 will come, 0 will, and 8 2s are 16, 4, 0 will put, and 8 5s are 40. So cross is here and 1.625 will be here. This minus 0.62 will come on its place. So, ladies and gentlemen, now the priority of this multiplication is more than the subtraction. So, we have to first simplify the multiplication portion, and we are doing 1.625 multiplied by 0.16. So when we multiply this, 6 5s are 33 will be carried, 6 2s are 12 and 3 15, 1 will be carried, 6 6 are 36, 37, 3 will be carried, 6 1s are 6 and 9. 1 cross and 1 5s are 5, 1 2s are 2, 1 6 are 6, 1 1s are 1, and then 2 crosses, and 0 5s are 0 2s are 0 6s are and 0 1s are. When we add all these things, that will be 0, that will be 0, 1 will be carried, so it will also be 10, 1 will be carried, and this is 16, 1 will be carried 2, and this is 0, because there are after 1 2 3 4 5 digits after the decimal. So 1 2 3 4 5, so we put the decimal here, and then as a result we will get 0.26 from here. We wrote 0 point, and this minus with this minus will become positive. So we wrote this, and this one will come this. In these two, the greater one is 0.62. So we have to subtract from the larger one the smaller values, and whatever result we are getting, we have to put what the symbol of the larger number, which is in this case negative. So when we subtract from 0.62 this 0.26, it will become 6, and it will become 0.36 with the negative symbol. And that is the ultimate answer, ladies and gentlemen. Ladies and gentlemen, now we are doing the D part. The D part is saying minus 0.3 whole cube. Now in this particular case, you have to understand this cube is also the cube of this minus, because there are parentheses. If it wasn't there, then this 3 does not belong to this minus. So we have to multiply 3 times, yani it means that minus 0.2 multiplied by minus 0.2 multiplied by minus 0.2. So this minus with this minus plus, and again plus minus with this minus. So ladies and gentlemen, we are doing this here. First, these two are multiplied, 2 2s are 4, 2 zeros are 0. Then cross, 0 2s are 0, and 0 zeros are, so it will become 4, and because the digits after the decimal are 2, so we have to put the uh, decimal after 2 digit. Again the third 0.2 will be multiplied with the answer we got from this So 2 4s are 8, 2 zeros are 0, 2 zeros are 0. Cross and 0 4s are 0, 0 zeros are 0 and 0 zeros are 0. So when we add 8, 0, 0 and 0, because 1, 2, 3 are digits after the decimal, so we have to put these three after decimal after 3 digits, and as a result we will get minus 0.008. Ladies and gentlemen, we have to move this 7 1 point, because we are moving in the denominator the decimal 1 point. So it will become 270 and it will become 16. So we are dividing 270 divide by 16. 16 ones are 16. 11 will come and this 0 will come down. 16 6 are 96. 14 will come and we will put 0 from our own side because we are putting decimal here. So then 16 8s are 128, 12 will come, put 0, and 16 7s are 128, 12 will come and 0, 16 5s are this 112, 7s are 112, and then 80, and then 16 5s are 80. So as a result we are getting 16.875. Now we are putting this 0.015 on its place. Now the next one is this multiplication, because there is a plus, and you know that the priority of multiplication is more than the priority of addition. So we are multiplying 16.875 with 0.008. 8 5s are 40, so 4 will be carried. 8 7s are 56 and 460, so 06 will be carried. This one. And 8 8s are 64 plus 6 70, so 7 will be carried. 6 8s are 48 and 7 55, so 5 will be carried. 8 1s are 8 and 5 13. Now 1 cross and 5 0, because there are 5 just 0 5s are 0 7s are 0 8s are, then 2 cross and 5 zeros, then 3 cross and 5 zeros. We are adding 0 0 0 5, and this is 3, and this is 1, this is 0, and this is 0, because after the 6 digits there are decimal, so we also have to put 0 1 2 3 4 5 6, and that will be a point. So it means that we are getting what? 0.135 with the negative symbol, and then we have to add with this 0.135 0.105, and I did this it here. So 0.135 is the larger number and 0.105 is the smaller number. So we have to subtract the smaller number from the larger number, and when we subtract, this will 0 and this will give you 3 and this will give you 0. So it will be 0.030. And ladies and gentlemen, the sign of the larger digit will be with the number. So because the symbol is negative, so 0.135 is the negative symbol, so we will put negative symbol. That was the whole story for today. I did it very quickly because when I was doing it, you saw that a very great effort I did. So I wanted to re-record the voice on this. It is already, that was difficult to do it again. So Excuse me for that. That's it for today. Tomorrow we will come with the new, and hopefully I will check the mic that time and will make sure that the mic and everything is perfect. Then I will record, because this is the second time it is happening with me. So it's a larger course, very big course. So these things are happen, but we will find the solution. Please subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Thank you very much for watching. Allah Hafiz.